Thanks, man. Appreciate it. What up, man? Work right here. Man, it's Cinco de Mayo weekend. Let's get it, man. I'll see y'all out there.
Up in Hollywood, in the rubber band picture wearing Molly Good. She brought lingerie pumps and body oil, sending candles and rubbed on my love hand.
This nigga fucking Metas. No, what are they?
Yeah, the Metas, Ray-Bans. What did your shirt say, fool? Locals only?
Locals only, homie.
This fool.
Close cracking.
Let's dip out. You seen it was like packed downtown or not?
Not really.
5 minutes later.
Damn. There's a good amount of people out here.
Box body out here.
You had it?
I had it.
I'm gonna just fucking go in front of this person. Bro, there's nobody in there. You had me played the whole fucking time, bro. What the fuck? What up, bro? Bro, I'm still working on it.